You're watching this video right now. Congratulations. You're alive, blessed, and have the power to change your life. Think about that for a moment. Complaining won't change your situation because, let's face it, no one cares. Mastering real estate wealth, refinancing, 1031 exchange, and choosing between residential and commercial properties. The path to smart real estate investing. Real estate is one of the most powerful ways to build long-term wealth and financial freedom. However, to maximize your returns, you must understand how to leverage refinancing, 1031 exchanges, and the differences between residential and commercial properties. In this course, you'll learn how to use refinancing to lower costs and access equity, how a 1031 exchange allows you to defer taxes and grow your portfolio. Which is better, residential or commercial real estate? Real-life examples of successful investors using these strategies. By the end, you'll have the knowledge to take action and build wealth in real estate. Refinancing. How to use your property to your advantage. What is refinancing? Refinancing means replacing your current mortgage with a new one, usually to get a lower interest rate, lower monthly payments, or access your home equity. Cash out refinance. Take out a new loan larger than your current balance and pocket the difference in cash. Rate and term refinance. Keep the same loan balance but lower your interest rate, or extend the loan term to reduce monthly payments. Debt consolidation refinance. Pay off high-interest debt, like credit cards, using your home's equity. Why refinance? Lower monthly payments. If interest rates drop, refinancing can save you thousands per year. Tap into home equity. Use your property's value to reinvest, start a business, or pay for improvements. Switch from an adjustable rate to a fixed-rate mortgage. Lock in a stable rate before interest rates rise. Real-life example. Cash out refinance for investment. Scenario. John owns a rental home worth $400,000, and he owes $250,000 on the mortgage. He refinances for $320,000, cashing out $70,000 to buy another rental property. Lesson. Smart investors use refinancing to scale their portfolios without spending their own cash. 1031 exchange. The secret to tax-free wealth building. What is a 1031 exchange? A 1031 exchange allows real estate investors to sell a property and reinvest the profits into a new property without paying capital gains taxes. Rules of a 1031 exchange. Like-kind property. You must exchange one investment property for another, residential for residential or commercial for commercial. 45-day rule. After selling your property, you have 45 days to identify a replacement property. 180-day rule. You must close on the new property within 180 days of selling your original one. Why use a 1031 exchange? Avoid paying capital gains taxes. Keep more money working for you. Upgrade to higher value properties. Trade up from single-family homes to apartment complexes. Increase cash flow. Move from low-rent properties to high-rent locations. Real-life example. Using a 1031 exchange to upgrade. Scenario. Sarah owns a small rental home in Ohio worth $250,000. She sells it and uses a 1031 exchange to buy a 4-unit apartment complex worth $600,000. Lesson. A 1031 exchange lets investors scale up without losing money to taxes. Residential versus commercial real estate. Which is better? What is residential real estate? Residential properties include single-family homes, duplexes and triplexes, small multifamily properties, 4 units or less. Pros: easier to finance and manage, more buyers in the market, consistent rental demand. Cons: lower cash flow compared to commercial, harder to scale, 1 tenant per property. W-hat is commercial real estate. Commercial properties include office buildings, retail stores and shopping centers, apartment buildings, 5+ units, industrial warehouses. Pros: higher rental income and long-term leases. More tax advantages. Businesses are responsible for maintenance costs. Cons: requires higher upfront capital, more complicated financing and management. Real-life comparison. Which one should you invest in? Case study. 1. John invests in residential. Buys a duplex for $300,000. Rents each unit for $1,500 per month, $3,000 total. Mortgage plus expenses equals $2,200 per month, $800 profit per month. Case study 2. Sarah invests in commercial. Buys a 10-unit apartment complex for $1 million. Rents each unit for $1,200 per month, $12,000 total. Mortgage plus expenses equals $8,000 per month, $4,000 profit per month. Lesson: if you're starting small, residential real estate is easier. But for serious wealth building, commercial real estate offers more cash flow and scalability. How to get started with these strategies? Steps to refinancing for investment. Check your credit score. Higher scores get better rates. Research lenders and compare refinance options. Decide if you want a cash-out refinance or lower interest rates. Use the cash to reinvest into real estate, stocks, or improvements. Steps to a 1031 exchange. Work with a qualified intermediary. You can't touch the money from the sale. Identify your replacement property within 45 days. Close on your new investment within 180 days. Continue repeating this process to build tax-free wealth. How to choose between residential and commercial real estate. New investors. Start with residential properties for easy management. Experienced investors. Scale up with commercial properties for more cash flow. Long-term investors. Use a 1031 exchange to trade up over time. Final thoughts. The smart way to build wealth in real estate. Refinancing lets you pull equity to reinvest without selling. A 1031 exchange helps you trade properties tax-free, building wealth faster. Residential real estate is great for beginners, but commercial properties offer more long-term profits. What should you do next? Learn about refinance rates and see if now is a good time to cash out. If you own a property, look into 1031 exchanges to upgrade to bigger deals. Decide whether residential or commercial real estate fits your goals. Real estate is the key to financial freedom. Start today. Blast off. Until next time, stay blessed, stay driven, and always mind your business.